Alright guys, we are here today at Louisiana Mudfest, and I'm looking around, I see all this horsepower. I was like, man, all these big block guys, they getting all the attention, all these RPMs. I said, I gotta catch up with a diesel guy, man. Gotta give this guy a little bit of glory. Travis Loyd, man, how you doing?
Alright, how are you, Chris?
Cool, I'm doing good. So, the Green Mile, dude, this truck has evolved significantly, I guess, just in the last year, but over time it's grown.
Oh, yeah,
so from where the truck started to now, kind of give us a little story about what we've got here. Obviously we got a big square body crew cab. It's a good looking truck. It's diesel. So tell us some more details about what you got going here.
Yeah, right now we're running AxleTech 4000s, and we got the LB7 Duramax.
Cool. Got
a little bit of tune in it.
Yep.
It's matted to the Allison 1000 transmission, and it's putting down a pretty good bit of horsepower, not a whole lot. It's pretty decent. Roll a little bit of coal.
Hell yeah, dude, this thing's cranking.
But it started out as a 2.5 ton truck, and with a big block in it, and we just couldn't keep it together, so we decided to go with something a little bit more strength.
I hear you. Dude, there's no doubt this truck is tough. I mean, when it gets out there, it's churning. I mean, I love seeing this thing in the mud.
We're still trying to work out all the bugs in it. It's growing progress, I guess you would call it.
Yep.
But,
it always is, because it's tough for what you do. You're gone a month at a time.
Yeah.
So for you to be gone full months at a time, I mean, it's tough to really grow it out.
Yeah.
So I guess part of it that really helped us last year is the trip to Sycotic, right?
Right.
So Blake really helped out. What did he do?
Yeah, Blake last year did a full redo of the subframe. He added some subframe mounts to it and did a full triangulated 4-link. Put the AxleTech 4000s underneath it. He did some dash work inside the truck. He did a tremendous job on the truck. Wheel centers, you name it, he did it. Sway bar kits, he did a fine job. I appreciate all the hard work Blake did. Ryan Dilla is the guy that built the truck. He did a fine job. I appreciate that.
Gotcha. Okay, I didn't know about Ryan. So
yeah,
that's cool.
Ryan actually built the truck probably about 6-7 years ago.
I see.
And he was running it pretty good, and we got it from Ryan, and
nice.
We made a few changes to it, and it is what it is today. So we're gonna see how she does today. I think we got a lot of the bugs worked out of it. So
yeah, dude, I'm super pumped. I'm excited. And then, the inside of the truck is great. The outside's great. You guys have put in the time, so I'm super excited to see how it goes today, man.
Yeah. Give a shout out to my wife and my kids. They back me, and we love doing what we do. So.
Yep. Yeah, dude, you've got to be able to love a significant other that puts up with the travel schedule that you do. That's one thing, and then also this crazy sport.
Yeah, exactly.
So yeah, definitely props to her.
Last night I got home from work and spent just about all night, my first night home from work, working on the truck. So
yeah, it's been like 30 hours in an airplane, hopping airports, and just rolls in and just shags out 14 hours trying to put the truck together and get out of here. So props to you, dude, man. It's good to see you guys out here. I'm ready to go see this thing run.
Yeah. I'm gonna give props to Chris Carroll and Patty for Triple X Motorsports. We like them. We appreciate it. Good friendship.
Good
people.
Thank you, sir. All right, let's see what it'll do.
All right, let's go.